Biography of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad, now Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a renowned lawyer and freedom fighter, and his mother was Swarup Rani Nehru. Nehru's early education took place in India, but he later went to England for higher studies, where he graduated from Cambridge University. He then studied law at the Inner Temple and returned to India. Upon his return, Nehru joined the Indian independence movement under Mahatma Gandhi's leadership. He quickly became a prominent leader within the Indian National Congress and was imprisoned several times for his active role in the struggle. His dedication and significant contributions to the independence movement made him one of Mahatma Gandhi's closest allies and a prominent figure in India's fight for freedom. India gained independence on August 15, 1947, and Pandit Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India. Under his leadership, India laid the foundation for modernization with initiatives such as the Five-Year Plans, industrialization, and advancement in science, technology, and education. He also established India's foreign policy of non-alignment during the Cold War, founding the Non-Aligned Movement. Nehru had a deep affection for children and saw them as the future of the nation. Because of this, children fondly called him Chacha Nehru, Uncle Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day, Bal Divas, in India to honor his love and vision for the country's youth and to inspire young minds towards education and progress. Pandit Nehru passed away on May 27, 1964. His contributions and ideals remain instrumental in shaping modern India.